Hello guys, good evening. This is another video tutorial. Ito yung kasunod ng last video ko regarding the PHP My Admin, yung we set up the PHP My Admin in our Windows 7. So this video is about changing the password or the default password of MySQL. So our default password, if you remember, is empty, right? So we will set that now, or we will set a password para hindi siya empty. So we're going to open first our sump. Okay, so it's already running. So our server is running Apache. And then actually I already set up a password in my MySQL here. So the username is root, and then the password is password, just password. So as you can see, that's the password I set, but before that is empty, so I just reset that one. Now I will show you on how to update that one. Actually, you can update it here. The password location of MySQL is located in MySQL database and then user. So it's here. So this is the password, it's encrypted. So to change that one, you can change it here. I will show you two types of option, or two types of way to change your password. First is using, you can actually, if you don't have PHP My Admin, so pwede nyong i-change dito sa MySQL sa command line sa terminal ng Windows 7 nyo. So you need to log in first. So what's the command? So just ignore the command because I'm gonna create a video regarding MySQL and how to log in, update, delete, and so on. So in order to log in, this is the command mysql-u, which is username, root, and then the password. Just enter and then type your password. So I will type my password, which is password. Alright, so I'm in. So to update that one, you can simply update, since I said earlier nga yung password is located sa MySQL database and then user table, then you can simply update that one by casting this command, update mysql.user set password. So check natin this one. This is the field, set password is equal to, and then the function that MySQL use, which is password, open parentheses, and then try to change this to 1 2 3 4 5, where user is equal to root, right? So those username, which is root, automatically we will change that one to 1 2 3 4 5 password. Okay, and then you need to press enter. So we're okay, 3 rows affected, so meaning there are 3 rows na change. Okay, and then after that you need to flush your privileges. Okay, so that it will affect, or it will change automatically the effectively the password. So you need to flash that one, right? So and then you need to exit that, you need to try MySQL root password, and then your new password, which is 1 2 3 4 5, and then there you go. So you already changed the password from password to 1 2 3 4 5. And then here in PHP My Admin, since you changed already here in command line, so basically you can use that one here. So root, and then the password is 1 2 3 4 5, and then you're in, right? So, and then one thing you need to change, if you remember in our previous video, we changed the new allow password to true. So we're going to change that now. We're going to change that back to false. So you need to go to sump and then htdocs and then php myadmin and then locate the config. All right, so this one. Okay, and then you need to search the allow no password. All right, and then so this was before, so which we already changed this one to from false to true since we set already the password. So you need to set that to false. All right, so just for security purposes, and then that's it. So you're good to go. And then the second thing that I said, that you can change your password here also in your php myadmin. So the command I cast in the command line, so this one is actually you can use here in your php myadmin SQL tab. So you need to go to SQL tab, and then for example I would just not type, maybe I would just copy this one. So okay, all right, and then where user is root. All right, and then maybe we will change this one to 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then let's try. So update MySQL root, MySQL, and then you need to, maybe we need to navigate here, so that we need to go to MySQL and then open the tab. So we are here in MySQL table, database, and then you don't need to, I think you didn't need to put MySQL since you are already in MySQL database. So from 1 2 3 4 5 we change it to 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then there you go, there are 3 affected rows. Same thing with command line. So it's up to you. So if you don't have PHP myadmin yet, then you want to change the password, then you can use the command line. All right, so and then of course you need to flash. Okay, all right, so privileges, so that it will take it will affect immediately the changing of password from 1 2 3 4 5 to 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, so and then log out and then change, log in. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then you're in. All right, so same thing here, exit, and then you need to MySQL root and then password, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and you're in. So that's it. So that's how to change password in your MySQL from null or from previous password to new password. So it's up to you kung anong gagamitin nyo. If you can, you will use command line, or you can use the PHP myadmin. So thank you. I think that's all for this video. Thank you, and see you in the next video.